Hey man, today we are going to take a closer look at this Wolverine action figure from X-Men 2, also known as X-Men United movie. Pretty wacky figure from ToyBiz era, so right before Marvel Legends. It came with this base that gives you an action feature of some kind of movement. The base itself is not bad. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use it in some shots, but this head, it's just terrible. When it comes to the body itself, I am very positively surprised. All the stitches, the painting itself, the sculpt is really decent. The articulation, it's okay. It has double jointed elbows, knees, twists and turns in all of the places you want to go. It has pretty good reach when it comes to the leg kicks. It can look quite wacky when it comes to the ratio. There is not everything perfect with the figure itself, but it's still a pretty interesting one. Those articulation on the feet looks like it's great, but it's not really that. It took me like 3 minutes to stand him in a simple position like this. But the head is terrible. That's why we are going to replace it with some newer Hugh Jackman new technology of sculpting, of making those heads give us the chance to really make this figure pop on your shelf. Angry Face and Old Man Logan, pretty cool too. Initially I thought I'm gonna have to replace the claws, but they are pretty good actually. A bit short, but not bad. Here is a quick comparison with the other action figures, and you have to figure out how to put it on since the peg doesn't fit, but it's smaller and the head doesn't drown in it. So the height of the head with the neck is okay. It's only the peg you have to figure out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, subscribing and liking this video. I really appreciate all of you guys. Take care.